Hello friends, welcome you all once again on my YouTube channel, and today we have a new exercise to do, and this is regarding correction of the sentence. Yes friends, here we have given some sentences and we have to find out the mistake and then rewrite in the blank space. Yes friends, so there are different types of sentences such as imperative, positive and negative, and and they have given the reflexive verb as well, right? So please be careful. Yeah, so now we start the exercise, and if you want to do it, the exercise, you want to do the exercise yourself, you can do it, and later you can check with my answers. Yes, you can yes, compare your answer with my answer. Okay, and this way you can evaluate yourself. This would be a, you can say, a good idea. Yes, so the question is corrigez les fautes. It means to correct the mistakes. Okay, now the first is parlez poliment à tes parents. It means speak politely to your parents. Yes friends, it is an imperative sentence, right? So now the first sentence is this one. So here I want to tell you that whenever we write any imperative sentence, we just we don't use this s letter. Why? Because with to conjugation we use just parl plus e, stem part plus e, right? We don't use this e. Yes, parlez we write this way in simple present tense. Yeah, if the sentence, if we are doing simple present tense in French, then we use this conjugation with to subject, but here we don't use s. So, and again one more thing, we don't use contracted article, right? We use just simple a preposition. Yes, because before any possessive adjective we don't use contracted article, right? We just use simple preposition. So the answer will be parle poliment à tes parents. Yes, so now you can write, yes, parle poliment à tes parents. Yes friends, so this way write you can write your answer, and at last exclamatory mark. Okay, so it means speak politely to your parents. Okay, now come to the sentence number 2. Vous n'avez mangé rien au petit déjeuner. Yeah, word to word it means you have not eaten nothing for breakfast. Okay, so it means you ate nothing for breakfast. So whenever we use this kind of negative expression, we use rien just after first verb, right? In place of pa we use rien. Okay, it means whenever we use rien, we don't use pa in the same sentence, and after comes the second verb, and in this verb we don't use s, we use z, because with vous we use ez conjugation. Okay, stem part plus ez. So the sentence will be vous n'avez rien mangé au petit déjeuner. Yes friends, okay, so you can write your answer. Vous n'avez rien mangé au petit déjeuner. Correct. It means you did not eat anything for breakfast. Very good. Now sentence number 3. Personne n'est pas venu aujourd'hui. It means no one come today, right? Again it is a negative expression. Okay, and here is a combination of two word. Okay, so with person and pa, yeah, so it's a combination of two words. So in this type of sentence we don't use s. With person we don't use s, okay, because it is a singular noun, okay, singular word. And in venue we don't use s, we just use venue. If the subject is singular, then we use venue. Okay, so the sentence would be personne n'est pas venu aujourd'hui. It means nobody come today. Yes, this is simple present tense sentence, right? So we simply use venue. Okay, so now we can write the sentence personne n'est pas venu aujourd'hui. Here we write only venue, venu, right? P E R S O double N. Personne n'est pas venu aujourd'hui. Okay, so this way we can make this sentence. And yes, one more thing you should know, that there are some verbs in French with which we use être verb in place of avoir verb to make the past tense. Yes, so in past tense there are some verbs with which we use être verb in place of avoir verb, and these verbs show the motion or the movement. Yes, friends. So be careful. Such as venir. Okay, so venir is an example for this type of verb. Aler, right? Venir, aler. Venir means to come and aler means to go. Okay, friends. So this is the sentence. Person n'est pas venu aujourd'hui. It means no one come today. Okay. Yes, this type of sentence. This type of sentence you can use for office. Yes, yes. If somebody, yeah, people don't go to office on Sunday, so yeah, in that situation we can use this sentence. Okay. The next is number 4. Asseyez-vous, s'il te plaît. Sit down, please. So here, what is the mistake? Can you guess? With the formal subject, we don't use s'il te plaît. Okay, we use s'il vous plaît. Okay, so we can write asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît. Okay, asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît. Yes, friends. So this way you can write the sentence, right? Yes, very good. Again, it is an imperative sentence, so use the exclamatory mark at the end. Asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît. Sit down, please. Now it is correct. Number 5. Ne réveillez-toi pas à 5 heures du matin. Ne réveillez-toi pas à 5 heures du matin. It means don't wake up at 5 a.m. Okay, don't wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Right? So again, you see it's a type of imperative sentence, and here they have given a reflexive verb. So there is a rule that when we use reflexive verb in negative imperative sentence, then we don't use emphatic pronoun, right? We just use simple form of reflexive verb. Na te réveillez pas à 5 heures du matin. Yes. So it means don't wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. So here we use te in place of toi and we write it at first place. So we use the verb here as we use in simple present tense. Yes, if the imperative sentence is negative, then we do like this. Be careful. Okay, and note it down somewhere. Right. And then we use pa, and we also remove this s. Okay, because if the subject is tu, if the subject is you can say second person, okay, informal, then we don't use s at the end. Okay, so the sentence is ne te réveillez pas à 5 heures du matin. Don't wake up at 5 in the morning. Yes, friends. So this is all about this video, and I hope you find it really useful. If you have any doubt regarding this video or regarding this exercise, you can send us your query in comment box, and we will happy to reply you. And please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please share it with your friends who really need this kind of video. Okay, friends, thank you for your kind support, and thanks for watching.